Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host as always, Mark the Mechanic. In this episode, we are showing you guys our standard mk1 Golf that we are planning on doing our 16 valve modification to. As you can see, it's a plain black on black 1.4R. I'll give you a walk around on the car now so you can see the inside, the outside. You'll see there's absolutely nothing been done to this car. I've got all the spares laid out for what we've received so far. I'll show you all the parts we fit into the car. And then in our next episode, we're gonna get the car on the dyno, do a couple of runs, and then we'll take it for a test drive in the street so you can see the before for our conversion. So here it is guys, our mk1 2009 Tenacity. As you can see, the paintwork and car is in excellent condition. This is an airbag spec model and it's got the mk1 stock interior. You can see by the paint there's not a nick, not a scratch, not a bump. We've basically got ourselves a perfect mk1 Golf. Well guys, you can see here it all is. This is what we've received so far. You can see there's quite a lot of parts here. Our VR6 brakes, our suspension components, upgraded gearbox mounting, new steering rack, wheel bearings, hubs. So there's quite a lot of stuff that we still have to fit on this car. Okay, well guys, that's it for our first official episode of our Golf mk1 build. If you like this video, please click the like button, maybe share it with a few of your friends. Go onto our YouTube channel, click the subscribe button, and then click the little bell. So anytime a new video comes out, you will be kept up to date. So until the next time, I'm Mark the Mechanic. Keep on revving it at Redline.